Hello, this is Mr. Heeb, and today I'm going to talk to you about using begin fill and end fill. Now, when we're using it on a little slightly more complex shapes, what I did is I began fill here, went around the outside, and when I get to the end, what it does is I do an end fill, and what it does is it draws a line from the beginning, where I did my begin fill, to the end fill, and it fills everything in that enclosed space. Now that works just fine when you have it just on the outside, but it gets a little confusing when you overlap yourself. So I have something prepared. I just want to show you. And so when the drawing overlaps on itself like that, it draws it out. And it gets a little confused on so it's going to draw a line back here, but it doesn't know how to fill in here or what's going on because we crossed over a line. So be very careful when you're using begin fill and end fill, where you're just going around the outside and have it fill the inside of whatever object you have. Also, you don't want to start, stop, and then go to another location and then start drawing and then come back. In a begin fill and end fill, you want to just go around the outside of the object and then end fill once you are complete.